we came here, probably I think 48 hours after the devastation, it was completely impossible to walk through the property. Enormous amount of damage. But what is wonderful to see is Castaways are reopening today officially. And as Jeff highlighted, this was only possible through the fantastic teamwork with the management and the staff. Not a single job was lost. Everybody was engaged during that period. Unfortunately, some of the properties did not face a similar situation. Some people had to be laid off, but this property is unique in that sense. So it is, in fact, today is not just a celebration of the reopening, but in fact a celebration of the fortitude, the resilience, and in fact the tenacity of the people who have been living and working on this island. And I think it is a wonderful achievement. It is also an indication that resorts in Fiji need to be developed with an approach to having sustained development. Many of you visitors come to Fiji because, of course, not just because of the hospitality of the Fijian people, but because of the environment in which you come into. So it is critical that all development takes place within the confines of ensuring that we have sustainable environmental development and that we look after our environment. It is also therefore critical that the resorts that operate within the islands also work in conjunction with the landowners, work in conjunction with the staff, and of course works in conjunction with the environment. So thank you once again for the Castaway team for putting up such a remarkable team effort. We congratulate you on your achievement, and we also at the same time welcome our visitors to the shore and of Castaway, and hopefully you'll be returning again and again. I wish you all a very good afternoon. Vinaka, thank you.